Hi all, Darren Hansborough from DA Components. Just going to do a bit of a different video today. However, we are in our local area of Darlington today, ready for our North East van meet. So hope some new faces turn up today and some friendly faces as well. So the little video I'm going to do today from DA Components is when you have your van kitted out and you put your poles in the top of your van, we used to use standard gutter brackets with a normal self-tapper screw, but over the weeks and months it vibrates and falls out and you can't get the screw to get back in. Tried loads of different ways of doing it, so anyway we've outgrown that now, so put that in the bin. So now we've actually got a soil pipe in the van, which is 110mm wide, and it's a lot easier to get in the pole in and you don't smash the old version off. However, it is a little bit more substantial, this one now, because there's no self-tapper screws. So what you get is a backing plate like so, with a threaded female thread inside, and now that fits inside your van like so. But I wouldn't advise using a self-tapping screw. What I'd advise is a drill and what you call a riv nut, and as you drill the hole that slots in, and you need a riv nut tool, which you thread it to the end of the actual size that you need. The sizes that I'm using now is 5mm, by the way, and that threads to the end of the part that needs into it. So then once that butts up to there, you've drilled your hole, you get that into the hole and you just squeeze out, and what that does, that goes behind the actual plate, so that gives you a brand new thread ready for your backing plate to go with a normal 20mm 5mm bolt. And I've used a little washer on there as well, just to give it a bit more added protection. And then once you've got your holes drilled, you've got your bracket mounted. That's where the rods come into play, the threaded rods. You thread it to the backing plate, like so, and then that's how you would have it, like that. However, what we did is, what I thought was, if I put these on a slanted edge like so, they don't move about so much when you're driving the van. It always stays in position, so then you can measure whatever distance you want. Now the bracket that you get to go around the soil pipe is the ring clip, same size again. I think it's about 109mm to 112mm. So you thread that to the end of the size that you want, and as you're threading that to it, it tightens that thread up, so that's actually all tightened up. And then you get the actual soil pipe, push it into place, then you get the bottom of the ring clip, and then it goes round there. You tighten it up with a Phillips screwdriver, and then what we did notice is it has rubber like protectors, so it helps with the vibration. Now that ain't moving for a very long time. So there's the first back section. Now the front section here is actually a little bit smaller because of that like tilt I wanted, so that it doesn't slide out when you're actually moving the van. However, we have got 4 in this van. At the back of there you will probably find that there's one going a bit further down, because that's for traditional poles. I've just slid them through there, and that's about it really. So if you want any links or any information on the parts, what we'll do is we'll put a link in the description below, and that's about it. Thanks a lot. Darren Hansborough from DA Components.